Welcome to All Up in That Tech, a channel where we discuss the good, the bad, and the ugly of all things technology. Have you ever thought about using AI for image generation? Do you wonder whether those generated images are your own, or are you just loaning them from the AI or the company that owns the AI? These questions have caused quite a bit of discussion within the content creator industry, especially since AI has become more useful and accessible for individuals and businesses alike. Everyone has likely heard about Microsoft's Bing Image Creator. This feature was announced by Microsoft in 2023. Bing Image Creator will create anyone an image from a text prompt. You don't need to be an artist or have artistic skill to create content, but you might start wondering who owns those images and whether the AI company, like Microsoft, has control over those images in the future. Well, the company must have ownership over that art before they can protect it from your use. So, you think to yourself, the AI can't demand ownership over this image, can it? Well, the courts in the US agree with you. In August 2023, a US judge ruled for the first time in the generative AI era that AI-generated art cannot be copyrighted. In case you didn't know, copyright is a legal right for individuals and companies to control the use of their art, such as paintings, images, photos, and written works. For example, when you license photos from Shutterstock or Pexels, you get a right to use that photo. However, the actual ownership of that photo stays with the photographer. Generally, the photographer will receive some sort of payment for each use of that photo, and most content creators are okay with this. It is hard and time-consuming to create unique art, and not everyone has the experience to create it. As such, paying to use someone else's work is convenient for most of us. With AI image creation, it is not an individual that we are licensing that image from. It is a machine. People might think at this point, well, a machine is still owned by someone, right? Shouldn't the machine's owner get the protection over the AI's art? According to the US court, human authorship is a bedrock requirement for copyright, and the US is not the only country to have ruled that copyright rights only apply to works created by humans. Both Germany and the EU have stated that art must originate from a human creator to qualify for copyright protection. So what does this mean? Well, any original art, whether visual or written, that is generated by AI through a text prompt, does not give anyone the right to own the art. The art is out there for anyone to use. The only way that AI generation companies can ask for content creators to pay for these visual or written works is for them to restrict access to the AI tool. This is generally done through a subscription fee. However, there are limited circumstances where you might be able to claim ownership over AI output. This includes where AI makes only minor alterations to a pre-existing copyrighted work. For example, if the AI only corrects typos in copyrighted text put into an AI chatbot, the protection for the original input could extend to the output. Another likely scenario for copyright protection would be where it involves a human in the loop. In this situation, the AI delivers an initial draft, and through human revisions, a substantial human contribution surfaces and relegates the AI to a tool of human creativity. So, keep these situations in mind when you are creating art with the help of AI tools, and make sure you know what your rights are in respect to images and ideas when making content. It could make a big difference for your content and business in the future, and just get comfortable with the fact that you likely won't own anything unique through AI use. Stay creative and informed. Thanks for listening to All Up in That Tech. If you like our content, please like and subscribe.